Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. We're seeing equities battle at unchanged, giving up those early overnight gains. Now, yes, last night the data came out of China better than expected. Industrial production, retail sales, fixed asset investment led things higher, led sentiment higher to come in to start today. Citigroup also beat expectations, top and bottom line on earnings season to get that kicked off. We looked at J.P. Morgan, we looked at Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo tomorrow, but the banks have turned into the red here, down about 2/3%. But it's overall that's what we're seeing across the board. We're seeing those early gains dissipate. New York Empire State Manufacturing was also better than expected. It's just sort of Monday gyrations. The levels are in play now. Looking at this first key support we were talking about where Friday's settlements are, the S&P is battling there, 3015. If we stay lingering and we kind of push below 3015, you're then looking at about 3,000 in the crosshairs. And it's a matter if it holds that in a constructive landscape, sort of putting a little bit of pressure on anybody who chased that price action, chased that sentiment late Friday or overnight ahead of today's open. And the same thing with the Nasdaq. We're looking at a lot of support down there, 79.10, 79.35. That was the area in which it broke out above. It's got to hold that on pullback. So watch all that. Now, crude oil was higher overnight. Constructive technicals overall. It is a little disappointing to see it pull back a bit here, but hey, it doesn't change the bigger picture. And I spoke on Bloomberg as well as Yahoo Finance this morning talking about we are upbeat. We are bullish crude oil, and you got to buy the pullbacks until it closes below $59. So this is an opportunity. You're seeing crude oil pull back. 59 is, or just above there, to about 59 and a quarter, is our rare major 4-star support level. That's where you want to be looking to buy. You're seeing a potential bull flag start to form here, and then if we do get that move back up, we're targeting around $63, 62 and a half to $63 to the upside. But for now, coming out of the weekend, early on it was a little surprising not to see a bit of a pullback, given the fact that Tropical Storm Barry really didn't affect anything, and you're seeing the platforms come back online now, today, and then as well, some just better overall sentiment around Iran just for a very short period of time, but that's still a potential tailwind higher if things worsen quickly. So watch out all that coming out of the weekend. We're just consolidating lower enough to be a buying opportunity. Now with gold, it did pull back from the overnight highs, struggled to get out above 1420. That's first key resistance. Looking at 1408 as support. Now gold is holding well, and it's coming back off the early session lows here from this morning. One thing that's pretty surprising, you're seeing treasuries push higher. They're grinding into the green. They were down overnight. A lot of support in the bond, down at 153. It's battled against there, going back a couple of sessions now, and it's held. So we're moving up on that front, and that should help lift gold just a bit. And that's happening. It's occurring despite the better New York Empire State Manufacturing today, which was a bounce back from from the June number, which was dismal. But give us a call here. We're here to talk about anything on the board, anything that's moving, 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates. You can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves a substantial amount of risk and is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.